How to search for the most costly item with excellent reviews. In this tutorial, you will learn how to find the most expensive item in a list that has excellent reviews using Excel. Suppose you have a table of products with their prices and ratings. You want to find the product with the highest price that has a rating greater than 4.5. To do this, we will use the lookup function combined with max and filter functions. Here's the formula. Equals lookup, open bracket, max, open bracket, filter, open bracket, F2 to F11, comma, J2 to J1.1 greater than 4.5, close bracket, comma, F2 to F11, comma, B2 to B11, close bracket. The formula filter, F2, F11, J2, J11 4.5, is used to extract only the product prices from column F where the ratings in column J are greater than 4.5. This creates a smaller list of prices that meet the condition of having excellent reviews. The max function then identifies the highest price from this filtered list, ensuring that we focus on the most expensive item within the criteria. Finally, the lookup function searches for this maximum price in column F and retrieves the corresponding product name from column B, giving us the name of the most costly item with excellent reviews. This way, you'll get the name of the most expensive product with a rating above 4.5 in just one formula. It's a powerful and efficient way to search for high-quality, costly items in your data.